I don't even know how to start this because it's been a minute since you guys last heard from me, but I went to the supermarket this morning and I bought a lot of good foods, like some strawberries. I also got some turkey bacon, or just turkey. I don't really know what this is called in the UK. I don't think it's called turkey bacon. Essentially loads of different breakfast foods. And the reason why I bought all of this stuff is because, as you can see, I finally moved into my new house and I've got nothing. Like, my furniture is literally inflatable and I've also got no food. I haven't made a single meal here. I slept last night for the very first time. And I thought, what better video to come back to YouTube than with a new house mukbang. This is my very first meal and this is also kind of a big moment for me, so I want to document it. I'm going to show you my kitchen in the house a little bit, but this will be my official first meal. We're going to cook it together and then we're going to eat it, keeping it very, very real. I feel so uncomfortable. I feel like this is not my house and like people are watching me. It's the most bizarre feeling, but I guess eventually we're gonna get used to this. This is the only furniture that I own. I mean, at least I can rest my feet, but that is essentially it. If I want to sit anywhere else apart from this, I can sit on the floor. I am definitely not complaining. This is very comfortable at least, but this is gonna be how I'm gonna live for the next month. So, welcome to this next step on my channel. Also, I just realized the camera is probably not pointing at me. I am so excited right now because I'm about to show you my kitchen, and the reason why this is such a huge deal is because this is where I'm gonna film most of my videos. And just to refresh your memory, because it's been a while, in my last house I didn't really have a kitchen. It was just like a little corner of the house, like literally 2 different cupboards and the tiniest little stove on it, and we made it work. It was great. But I'm so happy because now we've got more space to make better videos, and like, I'm so happy right now. I just want to show it to you. Still no James Charles kitchen, but look, it's so much more space that we have now. All these places we can put food in. I'm way too excited about filling this up. It's such a huge difference from before. Like, I am so happy. Oh look, you can see me. I'm also really excited that I've got a freezer to put stuff in because I've never had one before, so I can eat ice cream and all this stuff without melting. All these cupboards are empty. I don't have that much stuff. I've got some pans because my parents were here and they brought them from Portugal, so at least we can cook something for breakfast. Why do I feel like this stuff is way too fancy for trash like me? But I'm gonna own it and we're gonna make it work. Because I've never cooked anything here, it's very likely that this will go wrong. I need some scissors. 100% turkey breast, low fat. This is good because I feel like new house, new healthy lifestyle, so I don't really want to eat too much fat, so turkey is perfect if you don't want to eat too much fat. So I'm definitely trying to cut down on the amount of fat I put in things. It would just be a shame if you moved into a new house and you weren't trying to be healthy. So I'm definitely gonna try to live a very healthy lifestyle. Let me just, you know. Wow, this is really loud. I spent so much time in America that now I crave the weirdest things like turkey bacon. Like, I would never eat that before. I just bought this and this was also on the floor. I should probably wash it. Oh, you know what? If what doesn't kill you makes you stronger, just call me the Incredible Hulk. This turkey bacon looks weird, but at least the butter is melting nicely. Let me give you a zoom in. So now that we got a good amount of grease, I'm gonna add the turkey. 3 of them is probably enough as an appetizer. And because this is a new era, I'm gonna do the unthinkable. I'm gonna season my food. I've never heard of anything like that. Even salt. I mean, Gordon Ramsay honestly can relate. I'm not sure if it's because I've seasoned something for the first time, but it smells incredible right now. It might also be time to turn it. Oh my god, it's burning. It's burning. Who knew I had this kind of skills in me? This actually looks really, really good. Oh, I want to get all that butter. Oh my god, that actually looks pretty damn incredible if you ask me, but I am clearly biased as my taste is 100% trash certified. I'm pretty sure I should probably clean this before adding the eggs, but I don't really have time for this. And here goes the second egg. There we go. So now we scramble the eggs, I guess. Should probably do this beforehand. It smells really nice in my defense, even though it looks like a literal vomit. That does not look like the scrambled eggs that my mom makes. That looks pretty dry, which is exactly how I like my eggs. It also looks like cat food. So essentially perfect. As good as it gets when I'm in the kitchen. Let's plate everything. I mean, that's basically it. Oh, I want some toast, I think. I know this bread looks kind of healthy, but trust me, I will fix that really quickly. I just love butter, what can I say? In my opinion, Nutella is so incredibly overrated and butter is so incredibly underrated. Like, butter is the original Nutella. So we add the eggs as well. Wow. It doesn't look that bad, and it's also cute because, you know, it's my official first food in this house. And this is gonna trigger a lot of people, and I am sorry in advance, but ketchup it just goes with scrambled eggs. I'm sorry. It's not up to discussion, so don't even fight over it in the comments. I think it might be time to put this to use. This is one of those $10 like picnic tables, and I thought, you know what, this is perfect. This will go perfectly with our chair, so this is where we're going to be making our meals from now on. So personally, I love that for me. Oh my god, this is literally, that's gonna fall as soon as I sit on it. Okay, that's not too bad. Let's do it sideways. Hey, that kind of works. I'm hungry and I just want to get done with this. So, hey, this is gonna be fine. Oh my god. Hey, that's perfect. That was really, really easy. This table might not be the most balanced one. Like, it's kind of hard to balance a plate right in the center of it. But I'm excited to eat this. This is my official first meal. Wow, I haven't eaten food from the UK in so long because I've been traveling for like the last 7 months. Oh my god. That is really good. I need a Diet Coke, but I spilled mine all over the floor. Let's make a breakfast sandwich with some turkey and also some egg and ketchup. Oh, that's gonna be really good. Why is ketchup literally the way to my heart? Honestly. If someone proposed to me with a Heinz ketchup voucher, I would probably say yes. I was really, really hungry. That I feel like I just attacked the food all in one go. But this is really good. I really missed food from the UK. The UK kind of has a reputation, like worldwide, that the food isn't great, but generally, I love the food here. I love Nando's, I love so many restaurants, and then I also love the food from the supermarket. I think the quality of most stuff is like really, really good. Especially comparing prices as well. The prices are actually decent. I need a Diet Coke. I love that the background is just a bunch of boxes. This is literally everything I own, everything I saved from the old house. I don't have anything else. I also feel that I'm kind of scared in this house now for some reason. Like, it's slightly bigger, so it makes me a little scared to be here alone, but I am going to get over it. I love my first meal here, at least. The scrambled eggs look kind of weird, but they actually taste, oh come on, they taste really decent. This past week has been just literally insane, like sorting everything out, get my old stuff and like trying to like settle back in the UK. It's just been so stressful. So I'm sorry I didn't post for over a week, I think. I don't think I've ever been without posting, without letting you guys know, like, ever. I am back. I've got a lot of videos coming up. I've got a lot of stuff that I filmed while I was in Japan and Korea that I haven't posted yet, so you should be seeing those very soon. I think this week I might try to upload every day, but we'll see what happens, because right now life is so weird. Like, I'm not used to this yet. Like, I've been traveling for the past 7 months. I've stayed with my family, I stayed with my parents, I stayed in hotel rooms, I slept in like the weirdest places, and it just feels weird to like not have to go anywhere, not have to go catch a flight. It's like the most bizarre thing, but I'm so grateful that you guys allow me to do this. I think we filmed really good content while I was traveling. I've got still the best ones, I still saved them, so you haven't seen them yet, so you should be seeing that this week. I want to show you the house, I want to show you loads of things that I'm going to be doing for it, more about my life, but I don't know if that's something you guys are interested in. Let me know in the comment section, or give the video a like. That would be an easy way as well. Like I said, if you want to see the rest of the house, if you want to see every time I buy something like random, like for the house, like I'm thinking of getting this really cool coffee machine that makes Starbucks drinks at home. Just little random things. If you want to watch that, definitely let me know. Wow, second time I burped in a new house. This was really good, and I feel like I literally ate this meal in, like, the camera says 7 minutes, but I probably ate it in like 4 minutes or less, which is my brand. My legacy, literally everything I'm gonna leave behind one day is like how quickly I can eat one breakfast. I've got a feeling that this inflatable chair will be iconic and that I'm never ever gonna get rid of it. Even when I have furniture, like, this will be it. Like, this will be my chair where I do everything. I will edit my videos, I will eat in this, I will watch TV in this. This is gonna be my new best friend, but I could be wrong. It was kind of a small breakfast, but I do feel like I have a food baby right now. But I kind of just wanted to wrap this up and just say, thank you for always supporting me, and thank you for sort of coming with me into everything I decide to do in life. Like, I went to travel the world for over half a year, and you guys were totally cool with it, and you still watch the videos and you supported those videos. And now we've got a house, and I want to do a lot of different things, start different series. There's just so many different things that I want to do that I can now, because I've got a space in which I will be living for like a long time. So thank you for always coming on adventures with me. I'm gonna try really hard to go back to 3 to 4 videos a week, which is what we used to do, and I feel like I've sort of been taking a break a little bit, but I want to get back into it because I've got so many video ideas, and some of it is food, but some of it is more about my life. So I think it will be like a good balance for those of you who want those two different things from my channel. I think that's about it, guys. I love you. I hope you enjoy this new step or stage of my channel, and I will see you guys on my next video, which is probably gonna be tomorrow. Wow, some things just never change. New house, old house, same trash. I love you, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.